place up above, with no more hurt and struggling, free of all the atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to, like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. Don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of all my side. Just like can't be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. Can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory.